first of all, the 2020, we all know it was kind of weird, let's put it this way. I'm gonna say that my sport helped me a lot because it's a sport out in nature, and nature provides, you know, it's like a valve release of stress, you know. And this is how it helped me personally to overcome this crazy year. About 2021, I will suggest people to be more active, do any sports, do more activities, so they are more healthy on the inside and they feel better. And hopefully all this will pass and we leave this. We'll have only this as a memory.
Well, 2020 was obviously a difficult year for a lot of people, but as you know, working with horses is a bit unique because you have to work with an animal that doesn't speak the same language as you. And that means that it really takes your mind off of all the bad things that are going on, because you have to really focus. It's not just physical, it's mental as well. I hope that everybody remembers what 2020 was like in 2021 and all the things that we weren't able to do that we would like to do, and that we use 2021 to make up for all that lost time and really go out and have adventures, have fun, and take part in all the active stuff that makes life worth living.
Man, where do I start? 2020 has been a roller coaster of emotions and sadness, happiness, and just overall insanity. I'm just thankful that I had running in my life, because running is what truly got me going throughout this year, because I was able to get outside and run, and just doing that, it was what truly made me happy. And to see more people like getting outside and embracing the sport of running is something that I truly wish for more people to discover in the future. Take it in, love it, and keep running.
2020, it was a very difficult year, very depressing, but due to the fact that we had some students and we fly around some good friends, we keep in action, and it keep us not to forget to fly. So it helped us to keep going, and we are wishing for the next year to leave all these things as a bad memory in the back. I believe it will be a must for this year to start something new and try something different. It's a very interesting experience.
In 2020 was a difficult year for all of us. Calisthenics helped me get through from all the hard and difficult situations. You know, when I do calisthenics, it's just like that, boom, everything just disappears. I wish to all of you 2021 to bring you active, powerful and productive year. This year has shown us that nothing is a given. Just start right now to be active and doing things that you didn't do in 2020. Start eating healthy, doing some sports, be consistent with that, add to your daily routine, and if someday you're gonna give up, remember why you started.
Well,
Well, 2020 was really difficult for us dancers, especially social dancers. But every time I got frustrated, I put some good music on and then I dance. And that's how I felt free. I wish 2021 brings us love, health, and more opportunities to express ourselves. I hope it gives us a chance to be more active and more creative.
For me, it was a fun year actually, because we had some build projects going on and lots of riding, and pandemic didn't bother me a lot. For 2021, I suggest people who doesn't do sports, to find something what they like and just send it. You'll be fine.